Hi, this is Sheila Rociel. Today we're talking about something that's quietly happening across the country, and it's catching families off guard. Seniors are walking away from life insurance policies they paid into for decades, not because they want to, not because they don't care, but because life and expenses have changed. And if you're a grown child of an aging parent, this might directly impact you more than you think. Here's the reality. Many seniors bought life insurance years ago thinking it would one day be a gift for their loved ones, a legacy. I did it, but as they age, that monthly premium starts to feel more like a burden than a benefit. Fixed incomes, rising medical costs, home repairs, caregiver expenses, it adds up. And when that policy no longer fits into the monthly budget, seniors are forced to make a choice. Keep paying to leave something behind and struggling, or stop paying and surviving now. But that's a third option. As an adult child, this can feel like a gut punch. Maybe you were counting on that policy to not only help with final expenses, of course, but also to provide some cushion, some grieving money. And it's hard to watch your parents struggle financially. You might be already helping them, covering medication, utilities, food. You love them, but it's stressful, especially when you got your own kids. The stress is, oh my goodness, it's just too much, and something is slipping through the fingers. What if that policy they were going to surrender could actually put cash in their hands right now? And this is where life settlements come in. I'm a big advocate of life settlements. A life settlement is where a senior sells their life insurance policy to a licensed buyer for a lump sum. It's more than the cash surrender value, and it's less than the death benefit, but it gives tens and even thousands of dollars depending on the policy and the health. Some families worry this is like giving up the legacy, but here's the truth. The legacy is in living well while they're still here and relieving the kids from financial strain. Because what's better? A check when they pass, or a resource that helps everyone breathe easier right now. Now, in my experience, families are closer and more peaceful when they're not constantly under financial pressure. This isn't about selling off your parents' future. It's about giving them and you some power back in the present. Seniors are silently surrendering or lapsing their policies, mostly because they can't afford them anymore. How do I know How do I know this? I know this because of the data reveals it. Google it. Over 250,000 people every year, seniors are giving up. Billions and billions of dollars to the insurance company. They just gave it up. But if this resonates with you in some form, there's guidance available. You can book a free 20-minute discovery call with me, and we can just have this real talk about it. Okay, until the next video, I see you then. But like and share this. And if you have siblings, share this video with them.